In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom CSS to your Squarespace website, updated. First, sign in to your Squarespace account and open the site you want to edit so you're looking at the dashboard. From the main menu on the left, you'll navigate to the area where you can control the look and feel. If you don't immediately see the option you need, use the search field at the top of the menu and start typing Custom CSS. Squarespace's search is great for jumping straight to the right panel without hunting through every section. When Custom CSS appears, click it to open the editor. You'll see a code box on the left and a live preview of your site on the right. This is where you'll type or paste your CSS. Start small so it's easy to confirm things are working. Add a simple test style to something obvious, and watch the preview update in real time. If you don't see a change, double-check your selector and make sure you're targeting the correct element. The preview is live, so it's perfect for quick trial and error without affecting your published design until you're satisfied. As you add styles, keep them organized. Group related rules together and use short comments so you remember what each block does later. If anything looks off, remove or adjust the rule and confirm the preview snaps back as expected. Remember that the styles you add here apply site-wide, so choose selectors that are specific enough to avoid accidentally styling the wrong sections. If you happen to click into a different panel labeled Custom Code, that area is meant for site header or footer injections and scripts. It's not where you'll typically write your site styles. If you find yourself there by mistake, simply return to the Custom CSS panel to continue editing your style sheet. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the dedicated CSS editor with the live site preview beside it. Once your test styles look good, replace them with the actual rules you need, and confirm each change in the preview. Check a few different pages that use your templates to make sure the styles behave consistently. If your theme includes built-in style settings that cover what you need, prefer those first, and reserve custom CSS for fine-tuning that the default controls can't handle. When you're done, close the panel and continue browsing your site to verify everything looks consistent. That's it. Your custom CSS is in place, organized, and easy to maintain.